Our management company measures the muck by poking a pole into it, and they say the muck level is stable. You say this is unscientific. How much does a full bathymetric sonar scan cost, and how often do we need to do it? Okay, so there's three things here. You say the muck is stable when you measure its thickness with a pole. If you're measuring muck thickness with a pole, you must be doing it in shallow water because you can't reach any deeper. Muck is semi-fluid, plastic and mobile. So over time, it gravitates to deeper parts of the lake. So in shallower water, it'll tend to remain stable unless it has invasive root network holding it together or consolidates over many years. But it's staying stable because the extra is moving down into a deeper part every year. Poking with a pole is unscientific. It is compared to doing a detailed sonar scan of the lake and using a reference benchmark level to ensure that each scan is normalized so that when you determine the water volume in the lake, you're comparing apples with apples every year. That is the only scientific way to know whether your sediment volume has increased or decreased across the whole lake. Watch the video on biodredging in action, and you decide which is more scientific, detailed bathymetry or a pole. As for cost, that obviously depends on the size of the lake, how long it takes to scan it, analyze the data, and prepare the report. Usually we do that once a year. You don't need to do it any more often than that.